Welcome to Femtech Animation Studio. A question was asked by a friend, and the question goes like this: Hi Femtech, why am I seeing ads on my Plotagon application? That is my Plotagon Story. It's not like this before. How can I fix it? Okay, so here's the video on how to fix ads on Plotagon. First and foremost, before we go further into this video, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button. That is one. Also, like this video if this video is helpful to you, and as well share to your friends, family and your loved ones. Thank you so much. All right, so let's dive into today's tutorial. So once you open up your Plotagon and you start seeing ads, it is very simple. There is no other way to it than just solving it in the same way. Okay, once you have a account that it's not yet verified by Plotagon, then it simply means, when I say verified, that is if you haven't subscribed to Plotagon payment, then you continue to see ads running on your Plotagon studio, on your Plotagon story, anytime you do one or two things. And here is the summary of everything. Subscribe to remove ads and watermark. Okay, so as you can see, I actually purchased, I think it was this one golden ticket. So that was what I purchased, and you can see golden ticket bought. So with that, I have no issue with the plot. So the summary of everything is, in order for you to remove ads from your Plotagon story, you need to purchase the Plotagon software, the Plotagon license. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you have any question, please kindly leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll try my possible best to create a video if the need might be. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next video. One love.